వీడియో చూసి లైక్ చేయండి. నేను చేసిన వీడియోస్ అన్నీ మీకు రావాలంటే ఛానల్ ఖచ్చితంగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. వీడియో మీకు యూజ్ఫుల్గా అనిపిస్తే మీకు తెలిసిన వారికి షేర్ చేయండి. అబో నౌన్ an extremely offensive word for a member of the group of people who were the first people to live in Australia. Aboard, adverb preposition. On or onto a ship, aircraft, bus or train. On board, he went aboard. The plane crashed, killing all 157 passengers aboard. We finally went aboard the plane 3 hours later. I felt a sense of excitement as soon as I stepped aboard the cruise ship. We spent 2 months aboard ship. The flight attendant welcomed us aboard. He climbed aboard just as the train was leaving. All aboard. The bus, boat, etc. leaving soon. The trains about to leave. All aboard. Welcome aboard. Used to welcome passengers or a person joining a new organization, etc. Welcome aboard flight KS 836 to Chicago. Aboard. Noun. The place where somebody lives. Homeless people of no fixed abode. With no permanent home. Example sentences. You are most welcome to my humble abode. I bought you some nice candlesticks for your new abode. She lived a nomadic life with no fixed abode. Abolish. Verb. Abolished, abolished, abolishing, abolishes. To officially end a law, a system, or an institution. Example sentences. Educationalists have called on the government to abolish tax on computers. The council was abolished and its publications died on the branch. In contrast, an electronic answering form can abolish this artificial answering effect. The effect of the judgment is not to abolish the present system. For these reasons, this tax may now be abolished. Its first act was to abolish the death penalty. The government is planning to abolish subsidies to farmers. Abolition. Noun. The ending of a law, a system, or an institution. The abolition of slavery. Example sentences. The agitation was used to demand abolition of reservations altogether. We advocate the abolition of all nuclear weapons. The party supports the abolition of tax relief on pension funds. The abolition of student grants has forced many students to take on jobs during term time. Abolitionist. Noun. A person who is in favor of the abolition of something.